Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. We just came back from Lowe. The first branch close to our home don't have the one that my husband liked. Then we went to another branch which is a little farther, and then we got what he liked from there. And the appointment for delivery gonna be this Tuesday. It's only 3 days. We'll see if this time it will be go smooth or a problem again. If you just come to my channel and listen now, you could check back. I'm talking about the refrigerator problem earlier. So he like the one which we don't want to wait for a month because they don't have in their stock. Then we get another one instead that fit in our space. Let's see the little bit that I record the video at Lowe's today. There are many refrigerators showing display, I should say display, right? And they are pretty much two-door open two sides that we had the previous one with the what is called in the front door with the drinking water like this. We don't like it, so this time we will order different, like just cover the door, cover whole space. This one is the screen digital, I guess, because I saw on the commercial. I don't like the kind like I pointed that, because when it's broke it causes the system of the ice maker not good too, that by my experience. So we got what he liked today, and only 2 days for delivery, waiting from the second branch. And we came home with the ice maker that gonna insert inside the refrigerator. So we order fridge air bigger than the first one. Thank you. Bye.